Yeah. Today we're going to start about the demo regarding performance testing and engineering. So first I would like to introduce myself and I'm Vidya. I'm having total overall 11 plus years of experience in IT industry. So I have worked with both service based and product based organizations, and coming to my expertization, I have worked with various tools like JMeter, Loadrunner, and ALM. After HP Loadrunner, another new version is came, that is LRE 2020, 2021, 2. So those tools also have worked, and NeoLoad also have worked. Apart from this VSTS tool, that is also one of the tool for performance testing that also have worked, and I have involved on like end-to-end performance testing life cycle phases. Whenever requirement comes, we'll start with the POC, next NFR, next planning, designing, scripting, executing, and reporting. So all the phases of performance testing I have involved on, and I'm expertise on like different protocols I have worked with, like Web HTTP, HTML, Flex, True Client, Web Services, API testing, JDBC, FTP. LDAP, DNS. These are the multiple protocols that I have worked with, and also I'm having good exposure on log monitoring tools. As you all know that nowadays a few of the organizations are expecting log monitoring tools, right? So those are like a Splunk, and also like Dynatrace, AWR reports. These are all comes under the log monitoring tool, and I have also involved on developing few utilities for my particular project, and I have used Java and VB script to automate some manual efforts, like whatever I am doing manually. So those things I have automated, and I have done with using this monitoring tools. Okay, with this Java and VB. So we can use. I have also used this Java into like bean shell coding as a part of JMeter. Apart from that, I used Groovy as well. So I have also worked with like monitoring tools, Grafana Prometheus, Grafana Influx DB, and Jenkins, Dynatrace, and also App Dynamics. So these are the different monitoring tools. Perfmon I have worked with, and different type of test executions I have involved. Like we have a different type of executions in Loadrunner. So not only in the Loadrunner, JMeter, like complete performance testing. So like load capacity, stress, endurance, volume, failover. These are the different kind of test executions mostly I have involved on. And based on the results, I have also monitored during the time of test execution, like what is the issue and what is the root cause analysis of the issue. And I have involved on like engineering part mostly, like thread dump, heap dumps, garbage collections, with the different profiling tools we have, right? So once we collect that, what is the issue we have identified, we will just prepare the final report and we'll share it with the client. So this is about completely myself. I would like to introduce, and apart from this, these are my achievements whenever I have started my education level. So in my college days, I have received a gold medal from our Honorable Minister Sabita Indra Reddy. And I have received more Work Excellence Award, Hard Working Awards, and Innovation Achievement Idea Award. And also have received silver medal for an idea implemented for auto report generation. So this is the success record. This is the like old success record, but recently, like 2 to 3 weeks back also, lot of people got placed with my guidance. And here one important thing I would like to include. So once the training was completed, so Vidya should follow up you, means it is a little tough for me. Why? Because I will have lot of students. So if I keep on like following up each and everyone, it will little difficult for me. So even if the training was completed, if you be in touch with me, definitely I can help you to place you in good organization. If you need any guidance, even interview support, I will definitely help you. So my main aim and motto of this training will be like to set up you in a career with performance testing. So who can attend this training, like some prerequisites should be there, right? So anyone, like anyone who completed btech, mca, msc computers, or bca, or a bba, any full time degree, like any recent year passed outs, or anyone has a career gaps, or who are already working in software with manual or etl test engineers, or bpo non-it employees, or like who pursuing it career, they can also participate in this training, and you can upskill, and you can easily move the skill set from one to another, or if to fill the career gap you can also learn this performance testing. It was very easy, and I can say less coding. Okay, less coding and more performance opportunities in the market. And in this tough situation also, lot of people got placed from our side. That is the one proud thing I would like to say by myself. And here I have put it one thing on note, right? So basic programming skills are enough. That is fine. Whoever already having any Java, Python, SQL knowledge, that is fine. But whoever already not having, they can also join, because I can also guide you the basics of Java and the basics of SQL as well. So that is the one of the good thing from our side. And first, I will start with the demo application. Please don't consider again Vidya is also started teaching demo application. So it's not like that. First we'll start with very basics demo application. After that slowly we'll move to the real time application. Okay. And the course
Uh,
duration for this, yeah, if you
uh,
have any questions just note it down. We'll end of this demo, you can keep on asking questions. That is my request.
1 second, Vidya, that's fine.
Yeah.
So before going to demo, we want to know that what are the syllabus you are going to
Yes, I
cover?
will. I will share. I
Yeah,
will show it in as part of this demo. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. And the course duration will be like 30 to 35 days according to your tasks. Whatever the tasks, I will share it. If you submit on time, then it will be done on time. So if you need little bit more time to complete the task, then definitely the 5 days will be less or more. How? Excuse me. So how the remuneration in the market? So if you compare with the service based, product based, so obviously the product based companies will have high remuneration than product service based, right? As you all know that. So the service based organizations, as you know, like AC, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, Infosys, all this comes under service based. So for them, you can expect for freshers 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. So for 3+ years experience, you can get up to 10 to 12 LPA. Coming to product base, the freshers package itself will start with 4 to 5 LPA, and for 3+ years, it should be 10 to 14 LPA. Compared to service based, product based will have more salaries. And another important thing for service based companies, once the project is completed, you have to attend the client interviews, as you all know that. But coming to product based, it should be not like that. It will be like they have their own product, so there is no any client interviews. How many days if you are working in that company, you have to work for that particular project only. That is the difference between service and product. So if you join in the product based, you have to work end to end. But coming to service based, it will be like the part of the portion of the particular application you will get. Example, you have to work on only scripting part. You have to work only on execution part. It will be like that. So let me show you the course content. So let me share you the content link as well. So just check the content link here if you want. And also I have already shared on our WhatsApp group. If you want, you can check it. So before this, let me so here I have divided complete course into 4 modules. First module will be like, before first module I will start with very basics. So what are the very minimum things you should know before learning the performance testing? After that we'll start the module 1. In the module 1 I will start with what is SDLC, STLC life cycle, and what is the PTLC life cycle, all the terminologies, and which type of methodology is nowadays more we have demand in the market. Okay. And client server architecture, I will also help you to set up the architecture in your systems. That is also there as part of this training. And what are the tools we have, what is performance testing, the very basic things, like this will be. And also mainly non-functional requirements gathering, okay, test plan preparation, and uh, POC document preparation. All these things will comes in the module 1. All the things I will give you as part of real time training, and also you have to submit the task. Whatever the documents I ask to prepare, you have to complete it. That includes completely in the module 1. Coming to module 2, the actual load runner will start, and I will also provide you all the softwares. No need to download it from anywhere. So whenever I shared you the link to download from somewhere, you can download. Or else I will share you all the softwares as part of our training. And also I will teach you from the very basic level. It includes each point in the load runner. Like once we open the load runner, how was the UI looks like? What are the things we have to do? What are the components we have? Everything. And it includes virtual table server also. I will cover different protocols like web HTTP, HTML, web services, in the sense as you all know that API testing, right? And true client. These are the 3 protocols I would like to cover. And I will also help you to set up the test data. I will teach you MySQL as well, like very basic level, like how to write the queries, how to connect the database, all these steps. And the data preparation, the data preparation is very important in load runner, that is VTS, how to use VTS. Okay. So I will also cover GitHub, and I will also cover like for PC. But here, as you all know that performance center will be difficult to teach because it was a licensed one. So if possible, I will try to take a video of my office performance center one, and I will share it with you, or I will show you the document. I will explain because of performance center, as you all know that it was a licensed one. This is completely like scripting challenges, writing the custom coding, all this module 2 will take more time than module 1, 3 and 4. Why? Because this is very important part. So it includes complete end to end scripting, customizations, different functions like load runner functions, and web functions, and also C functions. These are every point will be included. It includes runtimes options and runtime settings, everything. Coming to module 3, so controller will cover here. So as I explained, I will try to cover performance center by showing the document as well. Okay. And what type of tests I'm going to show you, I have listed here. And apart from that, if I missed anyone, I can also show you that type of test execution, designing, and also analyzing the complete client side analysis. Like what are the things we are going to collect from the client side? So where can we collect? All these things will cover it module 3. And coming to module 4, like all the server side metrics, how was the CPU memory, where can we see, how was the DB utilization. Even I'm going to talk about AWR reports. Even you know AWR reports is a licensed one, but I will show you the document, and I will give you an idea how it will be. So different monitoring tools like Dynatrace, Perfmon, and also Grafana I will cover. So profiling tools also, as you know, like thread dumps, heap dumps, garbage collections, memory leaks, all these things I will cover it. And apart from that, I will show you how to prepare the final report, what are the observations, and what are the root cause analysis you have identified. You have to prepare it in the final report and you have to submit it with me. This is about complete end-to-end course content. So I have already shared you the link. If you want, just open it and go through. And if you would like to need any point in that you would like to include, just you can. I think for this no need any access. You can open it. No need any access. I think for this course content, you
Um,
can check
so
and let me know. Yeah,
yeah, when I access the share drive folder, it's
asking for
you will get
access
the yeah. I send the request.
for opening also. It's asking.
Yes,
Okay, no problem. Just share your mobile number so that I will add you in the group. You can get full updates there. Like I will share the documents directly with you.
yeah, I'll share now.
Okay. Yeah. So, so the different tools should be learned based on the experience. For freshers, any one tool is fine, like either JMeter or Loadrunner. But if you are experienced 2 years, then just JMeter will be enough. But nowadays, again, more demand is having Loadrunner. So you can learn any one tool. But my suggestion for you is you should learn both tools. Why? Because for interview perspective, they will ask you both tools, JMeter and Loadrunner, both together. So why? Because the requirement of the client will be minimum they should have good knowledge on both tools, then only they can able to require you, so recruit you. So that is the reason. So you have to learn both tools. Who are already learned JMeter, then good to learn Loadrunner. Who was starting from Loadrunner, once Loadrunner was completed you can continue with JMeter also. That is my suggestion. So these are all the exclusive features of our training. So the training will be completely real time and I will give you the real time project. So whenever we start with the demo, once you are ready to do demo application, I will share you the real time project application URL. You can start doing with that as well. And the training will be like Java application. So not only the web tools or pet store. So we have a multiple applications based on your interest. You can start it and you can continue it. Okay. So as I said, for challenges, for practice, I will give you a real time application. It is completely new. Okay. So first 10 minutes or 5 minutes, if you have any questions, that will be dedicated for doubts. You can ask all the questions doubts for the previous class, and in my class everyone should be interactive, then only I can able to like covered more content than expected. So if you will be on very calm, then I'm also not sure till how much you are able to understanding. So that is the reason everyone should active. If you have any questions doubts from the first 10 minutes of class you can ask. And all the scripting or classes timing will be like every day 1 hour. So according to the topic or content, sometimes if I teach 30 minutes the content will be heavy, then I will stop it. So if the content will be less, then I will cover more. So it should be like that. And as I said, POC, NFR, test plan, all these documents I will show you the real time one. And I will teach you the scripting will be in simplified format. I will share you all the notes day to day, whatever the topics I'm covering. I will share the notes of that particular thing. And also, I will share you the document link. Documentation is different and notes is different. Running notes, whatever I'm going to teach, I will keep on writing on notes. So if you go through that notes for interview perspective, that will be enough. And documents means the detailed information will be there in the documents, so you can also, I will also share the access for that documents as well. And interview questions will be covered and uploaded as well. And videos, previous videos also for the interviews I will share. And current latest I will take one class for interview questions because that is very important. And for agile model, I will cover Jira board. I will show you Jira board in real time. And a competitor tool also I will show you. Script recording will be very, very important, and hands-on should be very important for each and every student. So without hands-on, if you go outside and if you tell like Vidya is not properly teaching, this is not at all good for you. My suggestion will be you have to put more hands on scripting part. That is very important for you only. Okay, next, practical scripting challenges I will cover. Whatever the challenges I have faced in my real time situation, I will cover all the things. And if it is a JMeter, then I will cover Bean Shell or Groovy. If it is a Loadrunner, then I will cover basic C language. Okay, so these JDBC, these things will be there in JMeter, not in the Loadrunner. So you can just skip that line for Loadrunner people. And web services like API testing, I will cover both REST and SOAP. So simple virtual table server or simple table server, both are having similar meaning. I will cover as part of that. And workload modeling, designing, UI performance testing. Nowadays, everyone is asking about web vitals. So some of the some of the parts was not included in the course content, but still I would like to cover those, like this UI performance testing, lighthouse performance testing. That is very important nowadays. And web vitals they are expecting more. And results analysis, bottleneck identification, dynatrace, engineering concepts, GC final document. Everything will be covered as part of our training. So these are the exclusive features of our training. So before going to talk about what is performance testing, why we need it, before going to start all these things, so I would like to include few points here. So completely my trainings will be online trainings, like Monday to Saturday. If you want only weekends, like sorry, weekdays, Monday to Friday, I'm fine with that. You can take Saturday and Sunday for practice if you want. If you don't want like Saturday break, then we'll continue Monday to Saturday. This is the one thing I would like to confirm from your end. So based on your uh, priority, I will take consider it. So whenever you feel like we have a lot of doubts, Vidya, please take doubt session today. So I will ready to take the doubt session if required, and practical session. So for example, I have given you POC document preparation, NFR document preparation. Whenever I gave you homework, you have to complete it, and next day class you have to share the screen and show it to me. How much you are completed if you have any questions, doubts. And resume preparation, uploading the resume, this will be as part of our training itself. So once the course was started and almost 50% it was completed, not the 100%, 50%. Why I am saying 50% means, so if you put resumes after 50% of the course, so you will get some calls, right? So you will have a lot of questions on that. So if ongoing classes is there, if you will upload the resume, definitely if you get a calls, you will get some idea how to talk and what are the things you have to at least focus on. So minimum basics things you can learn. And also if you got any calls, you are trying to attending the interviews directly, you face any questions, you don't know the answer about that questions, you can feel free to ask on the classes. So that is the reason my idea will be, if 50% of the classes was completed, you can start uploading the resumes in the portals. And interview guidance will be there at the end of the course. So mock interviews, if you are comfortable, like every course content, everything will be completed, and if you are ready to take mock interviews, I'm also ready to conduct the mock interviews, you can also participate in that mock interviews. Based on the mock interviews, I will also decide like how much you are learned, at which area you would like to improve yourself. I will also suggest you few things by these mock interviews. So I hope I covered a lot of things in this training and training activities. So these are all the tools I'm going to cover. And if I miss any tool, so I will also cover in our classes. I hope who are already attended JMeter classes, they already know what are the tools I have covered. So just you can also, who are newly joined, you can also check with them as well. So you will get some idea how was my teaching style and how was what are the tools I'm going to cover. So if you have any questions, doubts regarding this demo, just let me, you can quickly ask the questions one by one. I will try to answer all your questions.
విద్య
Yes,
ప్రెసెంట్ మీరు డెమో చూపించినప్పుడు హెచ్పి లోడ్ రన్నర్ వాడతారా లేకపోతే ఏం వాడతారు?
HP Loadrunner only. HP Loadrunner in the sense like LRE 2021. I mean, HP నుంచి యా HP నుంచి మైక్రో ఫోకస్ అక్వైర్ చేసింది కదా లేటెస్ట్
Okay.
ఇది అదే యా
మీరు ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ కూడా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారా?
ఎస్
అది
ఎస్
ఓకే. ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నారు కదా, మీ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఉన్నారా?
ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నాను క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి. స్టూడెంట్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగి అంటే వాళ్ళు ఆల్రెడీ దే ఆర్ ఆల్రెడీ అటెండెడ్ ప్రీవియస్లీ interviews, right? They will ask questions. I'm giving the answers. I'm explaining the answers.
Okay. From my side, Monday to Saturday, it's fine. Okay. Thank you, Vidya.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi Vidya, this is
Hi, hi.
Rahul.
Yeah, hi.
Present వాడేది అందరూ మైక్రో ఫోకస్ లోడ్ రన్నర్ కదా, హెచ్పి
Oh,
లోడ్
yes,
రన్నర్
yes. Micro focus. Yes.
లోడ్ రన్నర్ కూడా లైసెన్స్ టూల్ కదా, అది ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ ఎలా అవుతుంది?
50 up to 50 users, it is free one only, Rahul.
ఓకే.
Up to 50 users, it is the free tool only. After 50
Okay.
users, it should be licensed.
ఓకే Vidya, thank you.
Any other questions?
Yeah, hi Vidya, Ranganathan here.
Yeah, hi, Rangana.
So I mean, you told that you are covering the language, I mean, scripting language is C, right?
Yes.
So I mean, I hear that languages Java and Python is popular for scripting language.
Yes.
So if it is C language, it would be fine to
For only
upgrade
Loadrunner, Loadrunner, it will support only C language.
Okay.
No Java language will be supported by this tool. That is the reason I told C language. If it is a JMeter, definitely it should be Java.
Okay. So you cover JMeter and Loadrunner, right?
Yes, both tools I will
Okay.
cover.
So the language which you prefer to teach for JMeter?
JMeter will be Bean shell scripting, Java, and if required, will cover Groovy as well. That
Okay.
will be enough. Yeah, to cover the challenges, that the language should be enough.
Okay. Then coming to market, so that IT industry they are asking about I mean the performance tool is how much impact for I mean every organization, because the technology it's more upgraded with data science, data engineering, and the huge opening in automation.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
Then,
Whatever you are saying is correct. But in the current market, not only the performance, other domains also less openings because of huge recession. So only because of this reason, the openings was very less. But compared to the other testings like automation or security or ETL, other testing, same performance is also having a very high demand. So from my end, it has a very good demand in the market, and growth is also very huge because I am working from last 11 plus years in only performance testing. I have not even learned any selenium or automation or development or other things. Only with this Loadrunner and JMeter Neoload tools, I'm working from last 11 plus years. For me, it was very good. So
Yeah.
I can say in the market also very good, but my suggestion, one thing from my end is, yeah, sure, Prasad, you can. So from my side is you have to learn real time. Nowadays, these interview helps, all these things are not working. Why? Because see, if anyone is doing proxy, or if anyone is some interview help kind of thing they are started doing, back end what is happening, whenever the panel member is joined, he was checking everything. Even he was checking which tool they are using for sharing, okay, and they are identifying in the device manager, and also they are asking to show the entire area of where you are sitting, if anything is going on, any proxies kind of thing is going on. So my suggestion is everyone should learn real time itself and try to attend the interviews by yourself. That will be very good suggestion from my side. Definitely you will crack interviews and you will place the jobs.
Yeah, that's fine. Because why I'm asking that every organization, I mean, that small level and MNC, every
Yes,
organization they have opportunity for automation and other things. But the
yes,
performance testing and security testing is it's paid version, and some organization will afford for the paid version. That like MNC organization, right?
yes.
So that
Nowadays they are expecting, but once you enter into the company, it's normal only again. For interview perspective only, they are asking. Not sure why they are expecting in interviews like that. Once they crack the interviews, once they entering to the office, it will be again normal. Our load runner or J meter only.
okay. The
Yes.
opportunity also, MNC, I mean, MNC company only having performance testing
No.
or
It's not like that. Every
okay,
lot of companies will have performance testing. How in one word I can say, in how much demand in the market for this automation. For example, automation, 50 openings if we have, okay, the percentage of the employees will be like 70 people. So
yeah,
means it is that demand, but coming to this performance, if you have 500 openings, okay, only 250 employees for performance testing, it should be that much demand in the market as usual. But because of this recession, you are unable to get calls, and you are unable to uh, see how demand in the market. That is the only reason. Not only for this, you can check with any other institutes. The students is also very less, and the market is also very less compared to the last even for 22 21 the market is very high. From 22 23 to now, because of the big recession, this is continuing. But in upcoming days, maybe after elections, I'm thinking that yes, again the market will be more.
okay,
Yeah. So don't worry. Meanwhile, whenever everything will get settled down, if you learn these two tools together, definitely you can able to uh, crack your interviews by your own, and you can able to place. But try to don't miss even single class, and if you need any help from my side, definitely I can help. Okay?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello. Which is easier, diameter or load runner?
it is a load runner.
Okay. And what much programming language to learn.
C language. C language. For Loadrunner, it will support only C language.
But I have not know C language very well.
Sorry?
I have not know C language very well.
You know already C language? Okay.
No.
Okay. You don't know. Okay. Okay. No problem. We'll cover in the classes. So from tomorrow, we'll decide one timing. If everyone is fine with 9 to 10, then we'll continue 9 to 10 itself. If everyone is having offices or if everyone is feeling like it is too early, just let me know. We'll start from 9:30 to 10:30 like that. So just post the updates on group. Accordingly, we'll continue. From tomorrow, I will start what exactly the performance testing, why we have to do performance, and why we need to go with Loadrunner tool. We have a JMeter, right? So these are some different things that I will cover in the tomorrow's basics class. So you can continue from tomorrow morning. Okay. So two things you have to confirm from your end. You would like to continue training Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday. That is the one thing. Please update on WhatsApp group. Second thing is timings. 9 to 10 is flexible or 9:30 to 10:30 is flexible. Just let me know. We'll start according. So if you have any questions, doubts, you are unable to